Hi guys, this is Amar and welcome to Amar Tech Stuff. So guys, in this video we are going to focus on an switching troubleshooting ticket, and the issue in this ticket mentioned is that inter-VLAN communication is not happening. That is, the communication between VLANs is not happening, but the communication within VLAN, that is intra-VLAN communication, is working fine. So you can see in the scenario that this is a laptop and this is a laptop, and this is the PC. These both are in the same subnet, or we can say the same VLAN, whereas the server is in a different VLAN, that is VLAN 20, where the PC and the laptop are in VLAN 10. VLAN 10 range is 10.1.1.0/24 and VLAN 20 is 10.1.2.0/24. Switch 1 is this switch. This switch is a layer 3 switch. Switch 2, switch 3 and switch 4 are layer 2 switch. So switch 1 layer 3 switch. So this is a switch which is going to perform the inter-VLAN communication. So let's first check from PC 0 whether this communication, inter-VLAN and intra-VLAN communication are happening or not. So let's check whether in the same VLAN the communication is happening or not. Let us check the IP address of this PC first of all. So it is 10.1.1.2, that is good. So I'll ping it in the same VLAN. Okay, I'll ping the laptop which is in the same VLAN. Okay, so it is able to ping, that is fine. Now we will ping the server IP which is in a different VLAN, 10.1.2.2, and here you can see we are not able to ping. Okay, so why we are not able to ping? So whenever we are facing issue with inter-VLAN communication, we should always first try to ping the gateway. So guys, here the gateway is 10.1.1.1. so let me ping that first of all, 10.1.1.1. that's fine, we are able to ping the gateway. Now what I'll do is I'll go on the server and I'll check on server also. So this is the server, the IP address is fine, 10.1.2.2. so let me ping the gateway from here. See, I'm also able to ping the gateway. Means what I've checked is from PC 0 till switch 1, that is from PC 0 to switch 1 I'm able to ping. From server I'm able to ping switch 1, that is fine. So from this node to this node I'm able to ping, and from this node to this node I'm able to ping. So from both the nodes I'm able to ping the gateways. Okay, so let me check from switch 1, but I'm not able to ping from PC 0 to the server. Okay, so let me go on switch 1 and check why. Okay, so what I'll do is from switch 1 I'll ping the desktop, that is the PC, 10.1.1.2. yes, I'm able to ping the server also I'm able to ping. Means from the gateway I'm able to ping the PC, from gateway I'm able to ping the PC, and from gateway I'm able to ping the server, but PC and server are not communicating with each other. Okay, that is, there's no connectivity issue, a physical issue or something like that. There's no issue with this. So why this is happening? Okay, both the VLANs also we can check on switch 2. We'll check on switch 1, switch 1. Those VLANs also will check the SVIs. It's also up. This is also up. So both the SVIs also up. Even the L2 VLANs are created. That is fine. That is good. Okay. Let us check the trunk configurations. Weather encapsulation, that is fine. You can see here that this is fine. There's no issue with this. So what is the issue? Switch 1, the problem is that inter-VLAN communication is not happening. That is, communication between VLANs is not happening. Inter-VLAN communication, the communication between VLAN needs a routing. Okay, and this is a layer 3 switch. Okay, by default on layer 3 switch routing is disabled. So let us check whether routing is enabled or not. Can we see any IP routing or something like that? No, we're not able to see. Let me check. Nothing is mentioned. So let me first enable the routing on this layer 3 switch. Okay. I've enabled the routing on this layer 3 switch. See, now I'm able to see the routing table. Earlier I was not able to see the routing table. Now I'm able to see the routing table. Okay. Now let me ping the PC, or from the PC I'll ping the server, and now I'm able to ping. Now inter-VLAN communication is happening. Let us check from the server as well. Okay, so I'm from server, I'm pinging the PC IP. Now I'm able to ping. So guys, always remember that, if on layer 3 switches, if inter-VLAN communication is not happening, please do check whether the routing feature is enabled or not, because by default on layer 3 switches IP routing is mostly disabled by default. So this was what I want to share in this particular trouble ticket. I'll come up with more such trouble tickets with such small tricks, but again guys, the more you practice, the more perfect you can get on this. Try to make out these labs. If you need the configurations of this, you can mail me on an email address of mine, or you can mail me on this email address, amar.techstuff@gmail.com. Okay, if you need the notes for this, I'll paste the link for this blog in the description section of this video. You can also refer that. So guys, I'll stop in this video over here. Thanks for watching my channel, Amar Tech Stuff. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please do give appropriate feedback, which eventually motivates me to make more and more videos. So let's meet in the next video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.